Initially I was supposed to get entry down here, but my entry is like actually it's not too far away. Yeah, it's about 8 pips above there. Yeah, like that. And initially I was aiming for up here at 19,595, but after profit target 480, but I ain't even like get in my mind mentally. I just want to keep doing this same thing regardless of profit target, regardless of the account. I want to build the mentality that yo, there's no target, there's just trading, there's just building, there's just entering a trade, you win trades, you lose trades. Alright, and that's it. TP hit, and I'll be closing the smallest position, which is the $45 right now. The candle is impulsive, so let's see how price continues to react. Welcome back to another video, and it's currently Wednesday, the new week, 14th of August, and well, the last trade I was telling you I wouldn't hold it today. I ended up holding it over the weekend, and it only hit TP on Tuesday. Now I wasn't like able to record any videos or anything, but that trade went well. And I only bought the new challenge account. Yes, I bought the challenge account, but I only did so on Tuesday as well. And today is the first day that I'm placing a trade on the account. So yeah, I'm already in a trade on the account, so I was gonna show y'all that, but I wanted to explain first. And that caused me little more profits, but that's how it's do something. Anyway, this trade that we in right now sent out to the community. I'm in this trade since about like 1:05 around that time, and what can I say? Initially I was supposed to get entry down here, but my entry is like actually it's not too far away. Yeah, it's about 8 pips above there. Yeah, like that. So in this trade, let me see how this one goes. Don't know if I'm gonna come back today and update you with this because it's already nearly 4 o'clock. So let's see, is it going to be one of those overnight trades like last week that I don't have to hold for too long? But let's see how it goes. Something I should mention, this is just the first take profit. Initially I was aiming for there 119,188, but I see how price reacts when it gets to this high, if it gets to this high, and then I'll come back in and give you guys an update. Let me show you the new account, by the way. So this is the brand new account. It should disappear right now, and yeah, balance at 6,000. First trade. Let me go down to the history. Alright, so we're trying this challenge thing again, and let's see how it goes. Alright, so we're back about, when was it, around 10 something when I gave you all that update, about 2 hours later then. And initially I was aiming for up here at 19,595, but after further analysis on the larger time frame, I noticed here on the hourly we actually have like a little, is it hourly? Yeah. So right here there's a little gap, and it was before this low was taken, and this low was just before a high, a previous high was taken as well, so it could have some weight. So adjusting the stop loss to the beginning of this gap is, you know, a little bit of precaution just to make sure. Instead of 595, it's at 19,561 actually. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Just thought I should give you guys that update on how the trade is going. We suffered all of this drawdown at the bottom here. We went through it, and funded next wasn't opening just now, but I finally got it to open. So we're up $127. So this is the second day trading on this account, and yeah, so the first day we made 139, and right now we're up $120. Profit target 480, but I ain't even like getting my mind mentally. I just want to keep doing this same thing regardless of profit target, regardless of the account. I want to build the mentality that yo, there's no target, there's just trading, there's just building, there's just entering a trade, you win trades, you lose trades, you manage risk, you manage your emotions, you manage the way you react to trades, or the way the trades make you feel, the way you react to the way the trades make you feel, right? So yeah, I haven't updated the chat as yet, but I think I should send out that message right now. But I'll come back in and give you guys the update once we get to this new adjusted TP. By the way, yeah, you guys saw I have multiple positions open, no TP set on any of them, but mentally I'll close once we get to this level, and I might consider leaving 1 or 2 open once we get to that area, just like how you'll be able to take partials. But yeah, I like this style of trading, multiple positions at different points in price and time, and it still amounts to the same amount of risk that I would usually take on this account size. So yeah, I'll come back in and give you guys the update once we get TP. I don't know if we might get the TP while recording, but then again, I still don't want to make these videos too long. Just want to be in and out. Alright, and that's it. TP hit, and I'll be closing the smallest position, which is the $45 right now. The candle is impulsive, so let's see how price continues to react. We're just monitoring it, you know, being an observer at this point. I don't know if y'all could take a little minute to focus there, but yeah, so we in that much profit. I really can't see it. Right, so we in that much profit on the personal, and we're at TP, so I might close all the positions on the personal, or no, I'll do the same thing. The smallest position I'll close, the one in the least amount of profit. So I have 2 more positions running. Personally, I would still like to just be an observer of price. Just let price do what it has to do, because even though I'm in the trade and I'm in profit and I'm at TP, this doesn't mean that once I close the trade the price is gonna stop moving or the price is gonna stay right here. It might reverse, yes, that's a possibility, but even after the reversal, it still has to get from point A to point B. Price moves in a way that's efficient for it to move. So let's see. I just want to build that type of mentality for myself by saying it out loud, and so that, you know, somebody else could potentially benefit from that as well. So yeah, man, I'll come back in and give you guys an update on how this trade is going, maybe within the next half hour, 15 minutes, I hope. Yeah, but this is a full TP. This is a full TP. I could send this out to the community as well. We updated our TP, and yeah, I'll come back and give you guys that update. I'm sweating as oh fudge. Alright, so it's about an hour later and I've exited the trades. I held it till like E, just like nah, not so far, like right here, which is like 148, and yeah, price has been tanking in a sense. It's Friday. If it was maybe earlier in the week, I would have taken the chance on hold. If it was maybe earlier in the week, I would have taken the chance on hold. But yeah, I'm good. I don't know why on the next not coming up. Like I trying and trying. No matter what I click, it didn't like load anything, showing me undefined or whatever. Like what he asked. Nothing I click on is actually loading. So I can't get to show you like percentage wise or where I exited the trade. But yeah, I closed 1 position up here, the smallest position, and then I closed the other 2 positions like right just when this candle was breaking this low. So still very satisfied, like really thankful. It was just like risking that much to potentially get them. I'm already in profit, so we're up 4.4% on the funded account, the new challenge. So yeah, let's see what happens. Target being 8%. Let's see what happens. Not gonna drag this video out too long. That's gonna be it for the trading week. Gonna come back in and update you guys on Monday. This time I'm not holding any trades over the weekend, so yeah, I won't have to wait till Monday or Tuesday afternoon or whatever to give you all an update on the trade. We'll just be looking for opportunities. I'll still keep this same trade idea in mind though, so you know, if I see an opportunity to go back in for a long and aim for the high above here, then let's believe we're doing it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Yeah, I forget facts. Yeah, like and subscribe at the beginning again. But whatever. If you made it this far, do it by a solid like, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Bye. Have a great time.